Hey, hello everyone. How are you today? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping. I'm so excited today to show you and make unboxing of one wow amazing backpack. I'm sure that not everyone have seen this backpack from winter of 2019 Gucci collection. I'm all the week with the bad flu in the bed, but I have received it before 3 days and I'm very excited to show it to you. So let's go. What is your first impression? Wow, I love this box. I love this edition of Gucci with the metallic colors. I love it so much. So while opening, I would just say that I knew what to expect, but even I was so wrong. It's so much better than I was expected. When I saw this backpack and I got the chance of getting it, because now anymore it's discontinued and it's not possible for anyone to find it online or in any website, only secondhand maybe, but really the pictures doesn't make it justice. See, even the paper inside. I really like the changes from the classic white and black that we know till now. So, can you guess? Of course, maybe you can guess because of the title of my video after you are watching. But even though I'm sure that you have not seen this backpack. Wow. So, what do you think? Is it beautiful? I really love this color. So, this is the Gucci men's collection backpack in the small size. What? Yes, small size. But because I think that the small size it's super enough to carry it, I thought that I should not get the big size. The big size is super huge for maybe big guys or ladies that they just want to have that one for only trip reasons or trip reason flight. But even this one you can this bag you can take it as a carry-on. It can take so many items inside. So let's go and see it. The brass WG and beautiful velvet that actually when I'm touching it I don't feel it as a velvet, it feels really as a suede. It's so well made that I really love of touching it. And the color, I'm sure that I cannot see it in the video and you will not be able to see it as well, but the color with the reflections of the light, it's like blue or greenish, that petrol green, that it's one of my favorite. Front pocket, let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have the cards, of course, of Gucci and Controllato. This one it might be for 5 languages. Just put it here. A big pocket front. You can keep your wallet, your keys, your card holder, or whatever you need, passport to use and have easy access. I love the zippers of this bag because they are 100% brass, so that means very nice quality. But what I like so much, it's those straps that I don't need to open it. No, it's a magnet here. Wow, Wow. Every small detail I like in this bag. See how luxurious it feels, and at the same time looks casual, so you can carry it every day. Double zipper and a huge compartment. I will take it out. I have to take it out. I love it. Do I look like? Here we go. How many items you can take inside if you want to go for a weekend out, for a picnic, for the school, for the university. Wow, how many uses? One back pocket only. And here you will find as well the leather tab where the heat tab of Gucci is, and backside you will find the is it showing the serial number? So easy to use, so easy to close, and one handle here. But what I like it more and what it shows really the quality of this bag is the back leather straps. They are really thick, they are really wide, strong enough, and of course with the signature of Gucci. The web from inside that will protect your arm. How is it? I love it so much. I really love it so much. I will not regret that I bought this bag. See it from back side and from down. Wide enough. You can see how many items you can carry here. Wow. I can put a lot here inside. So, what do you think? I am only 5'4". I'm not that tall woman. And did I mention that this is from men's collection? Yes, this is from men's collection, but who cares? We women, we want always to have something beautiful and different as well. So I thought to go with a small size, because this is good enough for ladies. So this bag as well, and all of the rest luxury vault of mine, I have plenty of items for sale. You can find them in my Facebook group. In my Facebook group with the same name, Luxury Vault by MB. Luxury Vault because of my luxury vault, and MB, my initials of my name. You can just send me request and I will let you join my group. There you can find all my items available for sale. This bag was retailing for $2,090 plus tax, but of course I'm not going to sell for that. Even it's discontinued, even it's hard to get item, and you know very well that those items are after that are going very high. I'm going to serve very less. I will not tell you the price, it's a surprise. Oh my god, forgive my cough, still I'm recovering. So I'm very excited to see you there. I will be very happy if you will tell me that you saw my video and you enjoy it. Any question you have, any order or any inquiry about other items, just let me know. I'm here, I'm in Dubai. I can find anything for you, or I will try to, and I will be very happy to assist you in anything. If you liked my video, please support me. I am new to that, so subscribe, hit like, so I can make more videos and I can be more active with your own love and your support. Thank you so much for watching me. Till the next time, I hope with better voice. Forgive my sound. Too much love from Marina. See you again.